Hi everyone, Nishka here with EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and today we are doing another unboxing of a collection. So we are going to be doing our February collection. So let's take a closer look at all the goodies that you can find inside. Before I get started, just go ahead and check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. All right. I think I see something cute in here. What do we got here? How cute. A little kitty cat with some heart sunglasses on. Adorable. All right, so we have our image here, and then a nice little paragraph, sort of put you in the mood. Furry cuddles filled with love. I love this. It's a Valentine's Day collection, like a Valentine to our beloved pets. So whether it's kitty cats or dogs or all manner of furry or feathered or even scaled friends that we consider our really close companions. How lovely. As always, we have the full list. Here it is, Purrfect Valentine collection. And the full list of all the products in the collection is here. Everything is numbered, and the numbers are labeled on the beads. And then here you have the SKU, where you will just be able to type this number right into the search bar at EurekaCrystalBeads.com and find the specific color item that you've got. So anyway, let's look at the most important thing here, which is the beads. Ooh. We're looking at some nice dramatic colors here. This is looking very, very dramatic. Deep reds, some burgundies, some black in here. Look at all of this stuff. Ooh. Ooh. Nice big stone here. Wow. So much stuff. All right, well, I'm gonna get organized. Let's take a look at all of these items one at a time. All right, first up, as usual, we have beautiful tubes of seed beads. This time around, it is all Tohos. So these are 2.5-inch tubes. They are going to be totally full. And we have some really nice colors here. Reds, deep reds, some different cream, and some white. So we're picking up, some from the fur here. We have some nice and interesting colors with these sparkly lights behind our kitten as well. So these are super, super cool. We also are featuring a bunch of different types of beads here. So we have around 15 O's, super versatile, always useful. We have round 11 O's, again, that is the most popular size. We also have the larger around size 8 O, so 15, 11, 8. It's like a continuum of sizes here. And then over here, we actually have, this is a hex cut bead, and you can see the little facets on it. So it's kind of cylindrical. It has facets, unlike a cylindrical bead, which will be all the way around. So this picks up light on every facet and gives it a little bit of sparkle, which I absolutely love. And this cream color is so nice. So that's a hex cut bead. And then you also have a treasure bead, which is Toho's cylindrical shape. So it's like similar to Miyuki's Delica, we have the treasure beads. I really like this sort of like deep bronze color too. Super versatile and excellent. Okay, so this is our selection of seed beads. Next up is Czech glass. All right, first up in the Czech glass section, we have some fire polish beads. Classic, beautiful Czech beads. These are round beads that have facets cut into them. So they are absolutely beautiful and sparkly. And we have these really, really beautiful tiny beads here. These are 2mm. It's a little tiny one. And then we have 3mm here. And aren't these just like lovely, lovely Valentine colors? You get 50 beads on each strand. And they're just so nice. We also have some Czech specialty shapes. So here are some beautiful Czech drops. And I just love this sort of matted metallic red color. It's absolutely beautiful and goes so well with this theme without being too overwhelming and over bright. It's really subtle, very sophisticated. We also could not do a Valentine's collection without some heart beads. So these are such beautiful, deep red, almost like a garnet color, or like a dark ruby. And these are very cute little hearts. So these are just going to be so adorable to put in any beautiful piece of jewelry you're working on that has a little heart theme. You can connect the hearts to each other and make a simple bracelet, or you can hang them down and do some nice earrings with these. And we also have lots of other interesting shapes like pressed glass stars and things like that. So the hearts and stars would also all look really nice together. So these are beautiful little heart beads. And finally, in the Czech strands, we have this strand of English cut beads. So if you look closely at these, they have some extra facets. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. And these are cut differently than your fire polish. You can see the difference. They're a bit rounder. And this is like a beautiful, beautiful, just subtle creamy color. And I absolutely adore these. They're lovely. And you're also going to get 50 on the strand. And finally, we have a tube of Czech glass. And you have our classic super duos. Always fun, always excellent to use. And again, this is a really beautiful siam ruby color with a vega finish on it. So you can really get some unique sparkle with these pretty, pretty beads. All right, next up is our selection from the Krakovski crystal line. And we're going to start off with a Krakovski crystal pearl. And this is just another one of these just deeply beautiful, subtle and sophisticated reds. It almost has sort of a metallic look to it, but a little bit matte. And yeah, it's so excellent. And then you have the super long strand that you'll be getting. And it's going to have 100 beads on it. And this one is a 4mm strand of Krakovski crystal pearls. So they have a crystal core inside that gives them that heft that makes them feel like real pearls. All right, and next up from Krakovski crystal, we have some pendants and a bunch of beautiful and sparkly stones. So these heart pendants are super beautiful. I love the color. They are going to be very, very versatile. You can do all sorts of beaded bezels and things around them, or you just simply put them on a bail and hang. Make great earrings for sure. So they have this hole, as you can see, so that makes it a pendant. And the back is just super, super sparkly. It's like a crystal cal type finish. So you have options from the back, you can do this finish, or from the front, you can choose which side speaks to you. We also have a gigantic cushion stone. This is a 16 millimeter, you guys. It's so beautiful. I'm just in love. This beautiful ruby color. And you know, this, you can just see how well finished it is on the back. Lovely edges, just gorgeous. This one is waiting for you to make something beautiful with it. We also have some beautiful rivolis. We have 2 of these 14 millimeter rivolis with a more of a pinkish glow. And then we also have these lovely chatons. These are 8 millimeter chatons. They are just beautiful in this lovely opal color. So much sparkle, but we're not done with sparkle yet. We have this selection, this unique, beautiful mix that matches the color palette. And these are Preciosa bicones. And these are 4 millimeters, and you're getting a package of 72 bicones in a beautiful mix of colors. The collection also includes a strand of Chinese crystal rondelles, also super sparkly and really beautiful. And this is a really long strand. You're getting about 180 beads on this strand. It's a nice, beautiful grayish opal color, and it has a really pretty rainbow reflective type finish on it. It's just a little bit more sparkle for you, as if there wasn't enough here in the collection. And finally, last but not least, we have a selection of findings. This time around, it is both silver and gold. We have 2 magnetic clasps, one in silver, one in gold. We have 2 earwire sets, so there's actually 4 ear wires in each, and that is also in gold and silver. And finally, last but not least, this adorable kitty cat charm, actually a pair of charms. I just want to show you how cute these are. Look at these cuties with their little paws and big soft eyes. Absolutely lovely charms to add just a cute little element, you know, something a little extra, a little different. So we always like to toss these in for our beautiful Purrfect Valentine collection. Thanks so much for joining me today. I am very happy that you're able to see what we came up with for Valentine's Day this year. I hope you and all of your lovely furry friends and critters are going to enjoy some nice time together and enjoy each other's company this Valentine's Day. So check out this collection if you like these colors, and if you want to work on some beautiful projects, we will have videos coming up soon. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss it. Thanks, guys. Bye.